Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can buy a domain in GoDaddy. First, visit this link. From here, you can click the See Plans and Pricing button or scroll down to check the prices. As you can see here, they have a large discount as of the moment. Take note that standard performance and high performance may have different pricing plans, which of course, high performance will have higher pricing. You can see all the inclusion of each plan over here. You can check them and choose the plan that suits you and your business. In our case, let's choose this web hosting economy. Just simply click buy now over here. On the right side, you will see your card. On this drop down, you can choose the months you want for your plan. In our case, I'll just click on 12 months over here. And you can see the freebies may differ depending on the month you avail. You can add this web security standard to your cart if you want. Click to continue to cart over here. You will now need to open or create your account, or you can sign in later after finishing your cart. So in our case, let's sign in later. On the top, if you choose an annual plan, you can type in the domain name you want to have over here, then hit the search icon. You can see here if your domain is available. You can review your cart over here. Just scroll down and you can add or delete some features. If you think you're good to go, click I'm ready to pay right here. On the checkout page, you need to select your account. Then after that, you can now proceed to filling up this payment information. After that, you're now in the order summary page. You can see here your total costs. After that, just click complete purchase and you can now use your free domain. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.